Hello, this is a short video to demonstrate the three latest changes to Kyloe DataTools. Two of these changes relate to duplicate and one to data rules. The first change to duplicate is the fact that we can now revert any merge that has occurred within 30 days of the merge. So if I go to duplicate history, we can now look at the historic records and we can see that we've got various statuses down here. They might say merged or merging. In this case, we've seen some records that we have reverted as part of our testing. And we can see here that we've got a revert button, which if I were to click, it would then start the process of undoing the merge between these two records. The records will be returned back to the state they were in when they were merged. Like I say, as long as it's within 30 days, you can click the revert button. Another change to DataTools is in the settings, and we can now schedule merges. So we see this being used once you've completed your first run of merging all the records together that you've got when you first installed duplicate. Then we can now schedule a future merge to happen at a time when it's not going to interrupt general operation. And we see this happening as perhaps weekly. As you get new data in, you can check through the database and duplicate can clean up any duplicates that you have. The final change to DataTools involves data rules. And if I go to data rules, we can now utilize the parent-child relationship for something like candidate and candidate education within a new rule. So if I look at a new rule, instead of picking fields from the candidate table, which we can do here, then I can actually select the icon here. And for example, I could pick employment or education history. And I can change some criteria and look at, for example, the degree field. And I can now filter candidate records here based on information from within either the education or employment history. And then I can update candidate-based information with my actions as I could before. But it allows us to really really drill into the information for candidates, for example, or any other of the sub-entities that we can see above here. So that's a quick overview of the three changes to DataTools from here at Kyloe.